Example 3. Can you guess what shape this makes before doing any work? Think about it. If not, try plotting some points. Maybe press pause. Plot some points. Tell me if you can tell me what shape this is. I went ahead and plotted some points for the t-values, -2 to 2. This can keep going. And kind of annoyingly, the graph I think goes off the page. But anyway, what shape does this make? I've got a point here, and it goes like this. If you're saying line, you're wrong. Most people say line, and I have to say, ha 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 ha, gotcha. It's not a line, it's actually a ray. There are no points to the left of this. It is a ray. Now, how do you describe the orientation of this? Well, it actually starts way out from infinity and comes in like this. Then when it comes in, it bounces, bing, and then goes back out like this. So that's the orientation. We can say 1, 2. Some people struggle with this concept. What do you mean it's coming from infinity and then going to infinity? Believe it or not, it is actually the same concept as a good old-fashioned parabola. In a good old-fashioned parabola, let's say, think of a student struggling with Algebra 1. And you give a good old-fashioned parabola. It's not like it starts here and then goes out to the right and to the left. It actually starts way out here from -infinity. Then it comes down, touches the vertex, and goes outward like this. Similar situation here with the ray. Example number 4. I would like you to work the whole thing out using your calculator as needed, and then we'll check together with our solutions. Make sure example C says use a calculator to find the length of the curve from 1 to 2. Some versions of my notes say 1 to 10, and that's a little obnoxious. Let's just go 1 to 2 for the length. Press pause, and then we will resume with some solutions. dy dx equals -2 e to the 3t. Now we want to find that when t equals the natural log of 2. So that's going to be -2 e to the natural log of 2 cubed. I don't know if you were able to do this fancy schmancy. Equals -16. So the slope was -16. But the question once more, it wants the equation of the tangent line. So we need y minus the value of y at the natural log of 2, which equals -16, the slope, x minus x at the natural log of 2. So we need to evaluate y of natural log of 2 and x at the natural log of 2. When doing that, we get y minus 4 equals -16, x minus 1/2. That is the equation of the tangent line. Second derivative is going to simplify to be 6e to the 4t. You should notice that that is always positive, and therefore the curve C is concave up at all values of t, i.e. for all points x, y on the curve C. And for the length, approximately 47.210. That is a syntax nightmare to put that into the calculator. So please check your work.